Do you want to help someone experiencing problems with their computer device at a distant location? With ClonaDesk, it's super easy. Let's dive in and see how it's done. Download and sign up for ClonaDesk. One will be your computer, and the other will be the other person's computer. Launch the ClonaDesk application on your computer. Then ask the person sharing their screen to provide you their unique remote desk ID. Enter the remote desk ID into your ClonaDesk application and hit Connect. This sends a request to the access giver, asking for permission to view and control their screen. The access giver will receive your request and can choose to accept it. But remember, only connect with people you trust. Once they accept, you'll gain access to their remote screen. Now you can collaborate, troubleshoot, or assist with tasks as needed. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can use ClonaDesk to take remote access in no time. Just remember to stay safe and only connect with trusted individuals. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Until next time, happy remote accessing.